Negligent security cases in Florida are much different than any other type of premise liability case, such as a slip and fall or trip and fall. What's very important in these negligent security cases is that you must establish that this property has a propensity to allow crimes to be committed there. In other words, the crime or the shooting that occurred on the property cannot be the first one. It's got to be something that happened in the past, continued to happen. They failed to either provide security in general or provide adequate security to prevent something like this from happening in the future. Now, when you have a property such as a shopping plaza, a restaurant, a bank, or an apartment complex, the duty is the same. When they're having invitees on the property, they must provide adequate security and make sure that appropriate measures are taken to ensure that either criminals are deterred from committing crime there, or if a crime is committed and there is no way to prevent it, that you simply mitigate the damages and have the right procedures in place to stop the shooter, stop the criminal, ultimately stop the event from occurring. Now, my blog on this certainly sets forth much more detail in terms of what's required to prove, the elements of this type of premise liability action, as well as some other key factors that you must consider. So you could certainly read the blog or listen to our audio blog on the same.